Okay, so this is the domain selection screen. So what is a domain? Let's go through that first. So basically a domain is just the name of your website. It's what people will be typing in to find your website. So Google's domain would be google.com, right? And Google is the domain. It's the web address. So whatever you want to call your website, that's what you're going to type in right here in this box. One thing, or two things rather, that you really need to be careful of when you are picking a domain name, and I've seen this happen time to time with people that I've worked with, people will choose a name, right? Let's say Google, and click search. Well, Google is taken, obviously. Okay, we all know that. So we don't really want to be using that name. Well, we can't. So this is what people will do. They'll come over here to this .com right here, and you can change the tag at the end and make it .co, .net, .org, and they have a ton of other ones that you can get. You can get basically anything, I swear, and put it onto the end of your website. Well, here's the problem with that. You might be able to get, google.xyzf31, but one problem with that is that nobody's going to know what the end of the tag is. Nobody's going to type that in. Two, if they type in your website and they add .com and your competition has your name plus the .com, you'll be sending your clients or your potential clients right to the competition. And the third thing is that if it's not the competition, it's going to be some other site entirely. So no matter what the scenario is, you don't want that to happen. So do yourself a favor, only buy the name with the .com. If your name's not available, pick a new one. There's a ton of names still out there, and it may be hard to find one or figure one out, but you'll be able to figure one out soon enough, and you'll thank yourself later if you choose the .com as opposed to the whatever. Now, the other thing is you want to try to make sure that it's shorter rather than longer if you can help it, because it's easier for people to remember, easier to find, which means that you'll probably end up making more sales in the end, because nobody wants to type in your full name, your middle name, your last name, then your street address, and then add .com to the end just to get to your website. They want to type in something short, something simple, something easy to remember. So just something to think about, completely up to you. But do yourself a favor and choose a short, simple name with a .com at the end. Makes it a lot easier. So for today, we're going to be doing a fashion blog. So we're going to call it Just Kinsey, JustKinzy.com. We'll see if that comes up. Okay, it's available. Perfect. So we're going to see here, it says JustKinzy.com. It's available. We're going to click select and continue.